If you want to change payment methods on Bybit, it's simple and quick. First, open the Bybit app on your device and log in. Then tap on More and select P2P Trading. From there, go to Profile and click on Payment Methods. You will see a list of your current payment methods, where you can either edit an existing method or add a new one. If you want to delete an old payment method, click on Remove and enter the Google Authenticator code if enabled. To add a new payment method, click on Add Payment Method, then choose the option that suits you, such as bank transfer, credit debit cards, or e-wallets. After selecting the method, carefully enter the required details, such as your account number or associated email, and then click Save. Once your payment methods are updated, you'll be ready to make transactions smoothly and securely. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials.